In today's video, I will walk you through how to create customer segments on Shopify. To begin, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and locate the Customers section in the left-hand menu. Click on Customers to open your customer management area. Once you're on the Customers page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Create Segment. Click on that button to start creating a new customer segment. After selecting Create Segment, you can begin setting up the criteria for the segment. This is where you'll choose which customers should be included. Shopify provides different filtering options that allow you to narrow down your customer list based on specific conditions. You can create a segment using customer purchase history, location, or custom tags that have already been added to customer profiles. To do this, use the available drop-down menus and select the filters you want to apply. As you build the segment, continue choosing the criteria that match the group of customers you want to include. Take your time selecting the appropriate filters and conditions until the segment reflects the customer group you want to target. Once you have finished selecting your criteria, the next step is to give the segment a name. Enter a name that will help you easily identify the segment later. Choose something clear and recognizable so you can quickly find it whenever you need it. After entering the segment name, review the criteria you selected to make sure everything is set up correctly. Confirm that the filters match the customer group you intended to create. When you're satisfied with the setup, click the Save Segment button. This will finalize the segment and add it to your list of saved customer segments. After the segment has been saved, it will appear under the Saved Segments tab. You can access it from there whenever you need to view or work with that specific group of customers. To quickly recap, go to the Customers section, click Create Segment, choose your filtering criteria using the available drop-down menus, enter a name for the segment, and then click Save Segment. Once saved, your new segment will be available in the Saved Segments tab for future use. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully created a customer segment on Shopify and can now access it whenever you need it from your saved segments list. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.